Hey everybody, it's Neil, and if you have a NACS type of charger and you need to go to CCS1, you can use this adapter here. Let me show you what it is here. I have a Tesla, so it's not using either of these, but let me show you what we got. So we have, oh, it comes with a nice little bag. And here's our instruction manual for it. And here we go. So this is what it looks like here. And so you can see it's got the input from the NACS, whatever, and then the output to that. So you would just take your, let me take this out here, so you can take out your Tesla charger here and plug it right in there. And now you can charge your CCS1 type of automobile through your little Tesla charger. So how cool is that? Nice little device, super heavy duty. This thing is strong, and got instructions on it there, I guess, if you needed those, the details. But super cool, great little device to have. Thumbs up for sure.